I swear to God, every time I film, a plane has to go by. Like, why? I don't understand. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Elena. For today's video, I'm going to be doing this St. Patrick's Day inspired makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoy this as much as I did, so if you are interested, just keep on watching. So I did do my base off camera just so you guys can just focus on the eyes for today's video. I will list all of the products that I use on my face today in the description box. So I am going to prime my eyes. I didn't prime my eyes yet. I'm going to use the Cover FX PowerPlay concealer, and I'm just going to put this onto my eyes and blend this in with my finger. Before we do start the eyeshadow, I do want to bake underneath my eyes just so it catches the fallout. And this is a powder with a pink undertone, so it will really like brighten up my under eyes as well. And for today's look, I'm going to use the one and only James Charles palette. This is the palette I use all the freaking time. So we're gonna, I don't really know what I'm gonna do. I know I'm gonna do St. Patrick's Day look. I just don't know what I'm really gonna do. I kind of just go on into it. I don't really like plan anything. So I'm gonna use this color as a transition, and I'm just gonna pop that right into my crease. So the transition shade is really just gonna help blend in all the colors. So I'm just starting out with that brown shade, just so it's easier to blend. So I'm gonna take this shade right here. I can't hold this. This shade right here is just a yellow color. It's really gonna make the green easier to blend. So I'm just gonna take that yellow and kind of just put it right into my crease as well. The next shade I'm going to use is this light green shade in the corner, and I'm going to just put that, I'm gonna focus it on my outer V, but then I'm gonna blend it inward towards the center. Next in the palette, I'm going to take this dark green shade. I am going to take a brush with no product on it, and I'm just going to try to blend out those edges. These green shades are kind of patchy, so you really have to build it up to your liking. god, every time I film, a plane has to go by. Like, why? I don't understand. Okay, so I'm gonna take this Morphe M506 brush, and it's just a small detailed brush, and I'm gonna take that dark green color and I'm just gonna add some dimension into my crease. Then I'm gonna take that yellow shade again. I'm just gonna diffuse that harsh line. So for the lid, I'm going to use this Morphe M166 brush, and I'm just going to take this shade right here. It's just a very metallic green shade, and I believe this is the shade Guac, and I'm going to put this onto my lid. Then for the outer V, I'm just going to take some black and kind of just smoke it out a little bit. Just going to add some dimension. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this brush and I'm just going to wipe away this beautiful bake that has been sitting here for a while. For my lower lash line, I'm going to use this Morphe M432 brush. It is a very flat brush, easy to get on under that lower lash line. So I'm just going to take the dark green shade and I'm just popping this right underneath here. You know I need my inner corner highlight, so I'm going to take the shade Face, which is this color right here, and I'm just going to pop this right in my inner corner. Now I'm just going to add one of my favorite mascaras onto my lashes. For my lips, I'm going to use this NYX Intense Butter Gloss. Alright you guys, so this is the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. I really love how the eyes turned out. I think they look super good. This James Charles palette is just amazing. I really love it. I've been using it all the time for my looks. There goes the plane. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will link all my social medias and all of the products that I use down below as always. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.